Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right. Good morning, 5D. Today we're going to review your lessons from Unit 1 until Unit 3 to get you ready for the final test. When is the final test?
Next week,
Yes, it's literally next week on Wednesday. Okay, how many numbers are there in your test? There are 40 numbers. 40 numbers. All of them are multiple choice problems. All right. And then, our discussions is divided into two meetings. Today, we're going to talk about Unit 1 until Unit 3. And next meeting on Friday, we're going to talk about Unit 4 and 5. Okay? Let's say Basmalah 5D. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
All right, now here are the units tested, Unit 1 until Unit 5. Okay, Unit 1 is about verb plus infinitive or verb plus ing, quantifiers, and happy or unhappy about amounts of food. And Unit 2 is about other, another, and also about connectors, when, before, after, because, and so. And Unit 3 is about defining relative clauses. Okay, and Unit 4 is about non-defining relative clauses and reflexive pronouns. And the last unit, Unit 5, is about be going to, present continuous, and will future. All right, let's go to Unit 1. Unit 1, there are three topics in Unit 1. The first one is verb plus infinitive or verb plus ing. Here you need to be able to determine the correct word or phrase to complete sentences or conversations in a restaurant, like this. I want to eat noodles. Whenever you express what you want to do, you use to eat, to have, to try, yeah, with to. Yeah, I want to eat. I don't want to eat. I would. This is I would. Yeah, I would like to eat. Would becomes apostrophe d like this. I'd like to eat. I hope to eat. So remember this. 5D. Whenever you express what you want to do, you use to infinitive. To infinitive. To infinitive like that. But whenever you express what you like doing, you use eating like this. I love eating. I like eating. I enjoy eating. I hate eating. I can't stand eating. Yeah. So to express what you want to do, you use to plus infinitive. And to express what you like doing, you use verb ing like this. Okay, let's go to the exercise. Number 1. What would you like? What's the answer? What would you like?
Having, to have,
Huh?
having, to
Huh?
have,
Huh?
to have.
Is to have, because would like is the same with want. Okay, I want to eat. I would like to eat, right? I would like to have, like that. Okay, would like is the same with want. Remember that, yeah? But would like and like are different. Okay, so when you use would like, you use to have. Do not look at these options. These options are wrong. Okay? Choose between to have or having, to eat or eating, to drink or drinking. What about number 2?
To eat. To eat. To
Yes,
eat.
it is to eat.
To
I'm
eat.
going to Italy this Saturday. I hope to eat the original Italian pizza there. Yes. You if the verb is hope, then what follows is to eat. Not eating, but to eat. Okay. Number 3. They can't stand.
Drinking.
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 Yes, drinking. That's right. This is can't because can't stand means really hate, right? They can't stand means really hate. They really hate drinking fizzy drinks. All right. Any questions about this? You have to memorize, yeah. Whatever. If you are expressing what you want to do, you use to plus infinitive. If you are expressing what you like doing, you use verb ing. Eating, drinking, having, trying, like that. All right. Okay. Next, quantifiers. Here uh, you must be able to determine the correct quantifier to complete the sentences with countable or uncountable nouns. All right. Now, these are the quantifiers for countable nouns. A lot of, many, some, a few, not many, no, not any. And these are the quantifiers for uncountable noun. A lot of, much, some, a little, not much, no, not any. You must memorize these, yeah? And how do you know that a noun is countable or uncountable in these kind of situations? From this, if the noun is countable, there must be an S. If we are talking about quantifiers, yeah, there must be an S just after the noun. Apples, tomatoes, eggs. But if the noun is uncountable, you don't have an S here. See? Yeah? No S, yeah? So whenever we're talking about quantifiers, if the noun is countable, then you'll find S just after the noun. That's it. All right. Now let's go on to the exercise. The cheese sauce is everyone's favorite. You have to order it in the morning because there is only blah 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 of it left in the afternoon. You won't get it as much as you want. What to fill in the gap? Is it a few? 5D? Is it a few?
A little.
A little. A little.
Yes, a little. Because cheese
It's
sauce is
uncountable. Uncountable.
uncountable. Yes, very good. And the uncountable options are only C and D. But the one that makes sense is C, right? A little of it left in the afternoon. All right. Number 5. There, blah, 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 tomato ketchup left. Only a bottle.
Isn't much.
Yes, isn't much. Tomato ketchup is uncountable. So the options are C or D. And the one that makes sense is only D. All right, number 6. We have blah 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 apples, but only enough for making one apple pie. Apples countable or uncountable?
Countable.
A few.
A few.
Countable.
A few.
Yes, only a few. We only have a few. Only enough for making one apple pie, right? Okay, any questions about this?
No.
No.
No. Yeah, you have to memorize, yeah. Next, happy or unhappy about amounts of food. This is the same with the previous one, quantifiers, but we add two. Too many, too few, not enough. Too much, too little, not enough, like that. All right. Now, number 7. Oh no, you put blah 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 milk in the pancake dough.
Too
Too
much.
much.
Yes, it's too much because milk is uncountable. You cannot have these two because these two are for countables, right? So it's either this or this, but this one is the one that makes sense. All right, number 8. 10 guests are coming this evening, but we only have 8 cupcakes. There, blah 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 cupcakes.
There are not enough.
Not it. There are not enough.
Yes, there are not enough cupcakes. Yes. Why with R? Because cupcake is countable. Yes. Countable. Next, number 9. Oh no, I bought blah 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 sandwiches. I cannot finish them all.
Too many. Too many. Too many.
Yeah, too many sandwiches. Sandwiches are countable. Yes, yeah, 5D. Okay. Any questions about this? This is unit 1. No?
No.
Okay. Next, unit 2. Other, another. We use other to talk about the second or two items or items that are not named. The second of the two items, yeah? Like this. I've got 2 sisters. One of my sisters lived at home. The other, the second one, lives with my grandma, like that. Okay. I stay home on Saturdays and Sundays. On I go to school the other days. What does the other days mean? It's from Monday until Friday, right? So we use other when we are talking about something the second item, but that second item is specific. It cannot be anything else. It must be that one. Okay. And we also use other when the noun is uncountable or plural, right? We cannot use another for uncountable and plural. But we use another with a noun to talk about one more item. Yeah, we want to talk about one more item. Can you give me another slice? Like that. It means I want one more slice. Which slice do you want? Oh, it can be whichever, just any slice. Because I want another slice, just any other slice. Doesn't matter which one. So we use another when we are talking about a random second item. Yeah, doesn't have to be that one. It can be whichever. Okay, but I only want one more. Yeah, it's raining today. We can't go to the park. Let's go another day. It means that, yeah, just any other day, just as long as it's not raining. Okay, and we use another with a noun to talk about a different item. Like this. I don't like this shirt. Can you show me another one? Yeah. Can you show me one more which is different from this one? Another one. Yeah. Whichever it is, as long as it's different from this one. Okay. So we use other when we are talking about something specific, but we use another when we are talking about something not specific. The second random item. Okay. Other, when we use other, we're talking about the second specific item. Yeah. Okay. Next example. She really likes the cake I made. She's asking for,
Another.
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 yes, another slice. One more slice. I want one more slice. Which one? Up to you. Can be the first one, can be the second one, can be the third one, like that. All right. Now, number 11. I can't find my,
Other. Other shoe.
Other.
Other.
yes, my
There.
other shoe, my other specific shoe. Yeah, which is this one, this pair, right? And other often comes with my, the, her, with, what is it? Possessive adjectives. Whenever you see a possessive adjective like this,
Other.
or a the, then the answer must be other, like that. Okay. Number 12. I have to,
Other. 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 Other.
one is younger than me and the other one is older. Yes, that's right. The second one is older. All right, number 13. I failed this first.
Another. Another.
Can I have
Another.
Another.
another try? Yes, that's right. Can I have another try? Good. Okay, any questions about this? Other, another?
No.
No? Easy, yeah?
This one is, I think, is the easiest one.
I hope so. All right, next. Connectors. Oh, this is also easy, right? We use when to show that one action happens at the time of another action. So at the same time, yeah. We use before to introduce the second or two action. And we use after to introduce the first of two actions. Uh, we use because to say why we do something, and we use so to talk about the result of something. All right, number 14. I always brush my teeth
After.
after. Yes, this is a common knowledge, yeah. You brush your teeth after you have your meal. Okay. Number 15. We always sit in a dining room. Blah blah. We have dinner.
When. When.
When.
Yes,
When.
it's when we have dinner. Yes, they happen at the same time. We sit in a dining room. We have dinner at the same time. Okay. Next. They sometimes have some starters. Blah blah blah. They have the main courses.
After. Wait, before. Before.
Before.
Yeah, starters come before the main courses. So the answer is before. What comes after the main courses? Is the desserts, right?
Sir.
Yeah,
What is
Yes.
number 15, Miss? When.
When?
when.
All right, number 17. The children are going on a field trip.
So. So.
Yes. So, that's right. Yeah, what gives up the answer here is this, the commas, right? Yeah, I know the sentence is easy to make I mean, to figure out the answer, but this also give up the answer, right? The comma. The only connector that has a comma before that is so. Okay, the others don't use commas. Okay, number 18. She is very happy right now. Blah blah blah. She has won the
Because.
first prize.
Because.
Yes, it's because. Easy, right? 5D?
Yes.
Easy.
Yes. Okay. Now that's unit 2, yeah. Yeah, unit 2. Do you have any questions about unit 2?
No.
No.
All right, let's move on to unit 3. Defining relative clauses, right? Here, you need to be able to complete sentences with the correct relative pronouns. Where, which, that, who, or whose. Where is for places, which is for things or living things or people. That is the same with which. And who is only for people, and whose is for uh, possessions, right? Describing possessions. Next, Here are the steps that we have learned to make to join sentences together using the relative clause like this. First, find the same person, object, or animals in the two sentences, and then eliminate the same person or object or animal in the second sentence, and then decide the correct relative pronoun, and then the last one, put the relative clause after the noun described. Of course, you have, I mean, these steps have embedded in your mind, right? Very, yeah, very tightly in your mind. Isn't that so? Okay, now let's move on to the exercise. Once in a while, turtles go up to the beach, blah blah blah, they lay eggs. What's the answer?
Where?
Where?
Where? Where?
Where?
Yeah, it's where. We're talking about the location where the turtles lay eggs, right? It's where. Okay, number 20. The fisherman, blah blah blah, boat is black, also works as a taxi driver.
Who's?
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 Whose?
Who's?
Yes,
Who's?
it's
Who's?
whose. The boat belongs to the fisherman. Yeah. Okay, so whenever you see a noun after the blank, the answer is most likely whose. Okay, number 21. The
Who?
man,
Who?
Who? Who?
the man
Who?
who.
Who?
Yes, that's it. Okay, next. The stingray, blah blah blah, is stuck in the net, broke its tail.
Which?
Which?
Yeah, we're talking about
Which?
stingray, yeah? Do not use who. Okay, do not use who for animals. Okay, number 23. We don't like the books. You bought them yesterday. Join them together. How do we do it?
We don't like the
Books
book.
which you bought yesterday.
Object.
Today.
B.
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 Yes, that's right. 5D. It's B. Yes, it's the books and them. They are the same objects, right? Cross this one out, cross them out, and you change them into which. So you get which you bought yesterday. You put it all of them here. We don't like the books which you bought yesterday. Good, 5D. All right, number 24. I have a friend. Her father is a fisherman.
I have a friend whose father is
I have
a
a friend
fisherman.
whose
D.
father is a fisherman. D.
Very
D.
good. It's D, yeah. So
D.
it's a friend and her. You cross out her, you change her into whose. So you get I have a friend whose father is a fisherman. Good job, 5D. All right, next. Number 25. The woman was very polite. I spoke to her yesterday.
The woman
D.
who I spoke yesterday
C.
The
is
woman who
very
I spoke to
polite.
yesterday was very polite.
D.
C.
Which one is it?
C.
C.
Yes, it's C. Very good, 5D. It's the woman and her. You cross out her, you change her into who. So you get who I spoke to yesterday. And you put everything there, here, just after the woman, right? So you get the woman who I spoke to yesterday was very polite. Good job, 5D. And number 26. Is this the house you were born here?
Is this the house
B.
where
B. B.
B.
B.
B.
B.
Yes, it's
B.
B. Yes. It's the house and here. You cross out here, you change here into where. So you get where you were born. And you join them together into is this the house where you were born? Like that. All right, good job. Number 27. Mina used to work in an office. The office was near her flat.
A. A. A.
Yeah, the
A.
other?
A.
Do you agree with Rumaisa?
A.
Yes, it is A. Good. So it's an office and the office. You cross out the office and you change it into which. So you get Mina used to work in an office which was near her flat. Excellent 5D. So that's it, our discussion for today. Do you have any question for Unit 1 until Unit 3?
No.
No.
Are you
No.
sure?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. All right. Next meeting, we're going to talk about Unit 4 and Unit 5. Do you still do you know what Unit 4 is about?
Extraordinary people.
Extraordinary people. We talk about non-defining relative clauses and reflexive pronouns. All right. So, are you sure you don't have questions?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, if you don't have any questions, um, that's it for today. Let's say Alhamdulillah.
No.
Alhamdulillah.
Will
Alam. All right. Thank you so much for today, 5D. Yeah. See you again on Friday, insyaAllah. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank
You,
You're
Miss.
welcome, 5D.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Bye. Yes, you can